What happens when you realize the valves are too short for your deep section wheels? Are you going to buy a new set of tubes? Or tires with longer valves? In this video, I'll install the Continental Valve Extension Kit step by step on my Dura-Ace carbon wheels to extend the valves by 40mm. The valve extension kit comes with two 40mm Presta valve extenders, the tool to remove and install the valve cores and extenders, and I also included Teflon tape to seal the valve threads. Firstly, remove the valve core with the tool. Apply the Teflon tape on the extender. Remember to apply it the right way. Wrap the tape in a clockwise direction. It should be the same direction you screw in the valve extender. Pull in the valve extender. Put back in the valve core in the extender. And finishing it up by pumping the tire to the recommended pressure. Now do the same thing again with the other wheel.